Welcome to our Nova School video series. This is Marvin from NovaPool, and in this video, I explain what the rewards are all about. What are rewards? You receive rewards in the form of ADA coins when you delegate. On the one hand, the rewards come from the blocks produced, or to be more precise, from the transaction and the other fees collected there. And on the other hand, by redistributing coins not yet in circulation until the maximum of 45 billion ADA is reached. How exactly this process works and how the rewards are calculated, you can find out more in our advanced video, Reward Calculation Simply Explained. The rewards a pool receives once per epoch, i.e. 5 days, are divided proportionally among the delegators. Before that, however, the pool fees are deducted from it. The personal reward, regardless of the pool, is approximately 5% per year of the amount of ADA initially delegated. The personal rewards flow back to the wallet you used for delegating, and are additionally available for further delegation in the following epoch. From the time of your delegation, it takes about 15 to 20 days before you can get your first rewards. You can find out why in our video, Delegation Simply Explained. How many rewards each pool and its delegators get is transparently displayed for each epoch on pool browsers pages like pool.pm. Smaller pools may not produce a block in every epoch, but they will get a higher reward per block, so that on average, every pool produces the same rewards, no matter if it's small or large. Or to put it simply, smaller pools produce less often, but higher rewards, while larger pools produce more often, but lower rewards. It doesn't matter in that sense whether you delegate your stake to a larger community pool or a small one, but it is better to delegate to smaller community pools and not those which are being operated by the exchanges to contribute more to decentralization of the blockchain. If this video has added value to you and you would like to stake too, feel free to come on board. Follow us on Twitter for the latest news about Cardano and our pool. If you have any questions, feel free to check out our multilingual Telegram group. See you in the next epoch!